Meanwhile, Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders releasing a statement earlier tonight saying in part, quote, "We have emergency personnel on the ground to help anyone who's been injured, but these storms are not finished yet," adding that it is critical to stay informed and safe.
Earlier today, Governor Sanders already issuing an executive order declaring a weather emergency. This directs $250,000 to the Arkansas Department of Emergency Management. That money comes from the governor's Disaster Response and Recovery Fund.
There are about 36,000 people without, actually down to 31,000 people without power across the state at this point. The majority of those, as you can see, along the eastern edge of the state in northeastern Arkansas. Arkansas County has more than 5,000 people out. That's where Elmira is, and DeWitt. Prairie County has 3,000 out, and then up north, Craighead County with Jonesboro at the middle, that has nearly 5,000 people without power.
And to stay on top of these outages, Entergy got to work today. Before a tornado warning even popped up, crews were out off of I-30 fixing a power line that bumped into a sign due to the wind. And while it's obvious storms and tornadoes affect our power, Entergy is also worried about the flooding threat the next few days.
If we experience some of this flash flooding, it doesn't necessarily always affect the grid, but it affects our ability to access some of it. So, that can certainly slow down some restorations if those conditions arise.
Entergy says you can report outages on their app and to please stay away from any fallen power lines.
Arkansas Division of Emergency Managers have been on standby all day in case things got bad. They've already started dispatching to counties across the state. When it comes to their message for you, Emergency Management says the best thing you can do is have an emergency kit and stay informed, even after the tornado warnings expire.
6 inches of moving water can knock a person down, and 2 feet of moving water can sweep a vehicle away. So that's why we say never attempt to cross moving water.
Emergency kits should include things like water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, plus a flashlight, a radio, and extra batteries.
City and county agencies are also preparing for the severe weather, including the heavy rains and flooding we could see over the next several days. The city of Benton filled and handed out sandbags today. And as you can see from this video, demand is very high. Saline County did a similar giveaway. You can find a full list of areas handing out sandbags right now on THV11.com. And as we continue to follow and cover this severe weather event, we want to make sure you have a safe place to go in case things get bad. Right now, you can find a list of public storm shelters from across the state. It's at the top of our homepage. You can also text the word shelter to 501-376-1111 and we'll send that link straight to your phone. Please have a plan and know where to go before a storm develops.
The governor mobilized the Arkansas National Guard earlier this afternoon to assist with tornado and flood response. That includes 4 high water teams and 40 extra troopers able and ready to help with evacuations if they have to take place over the next few days. Each team consists of 3 tactical vehicles, a Humvee, and a crew of 9. And each of those tactical vehicles can carry up to 16 passengers in their cargo compartment if they need to get out of someplace in a hurry.